we're going to sing a song about fire up there in its ivory tower. And we'll sing it through once, and then we're inviting people to pick up the plants. There are some here, and there are also some just outside. One for every decade that the government has on climate action. And we're going to take them into the lobby and take some photographs, and you're welcome to take the plants home afterwards. Here we go with O Von Terra. O Von Terra in your ivory tower, you're getting more evil by the hour. Hey, hey, we know money doesn't care for people. You hide way up there in your steeple. Hey, hey, nitrates in the water. Don't you think you oughta stop burning down the house? Stop burning down the house. Stop burning down the house. Hey, hey. For money you're driving us to extinction. Morally repugnant, that's your distinction. Are you our biggest user of fossil fuels? Do you take us all as colossal fools? Hey, hey. Nitrates in the water. Don't you think you ought to stop burning down the house? Stop burning down the house. Stop burning down the house. Hey, hey. One more verse. Fertilizer runoff has destroyed our streams. To swim in the river now is just a dream. You've been busy polluting our lakes. You greenwash us, you're a bunch of fakes. Hey, hey. You've plundered the commons like it's your private garden. Stop burning down the house. Stop burning down the house. Stop burning down the house. Hey, hey.